Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. In this video, we're going to talk about snot. Just kidding. But it's sort of like snot. It's mucus. Your body generating mucus is natural and not a reason to be worried. But when the mucus production becomes more than constant than you think it should, there may be a problem somewhere. In this video, we will tell you all you need to know about how mucus is generated in different parts of your body, the causes of excess mucus, colors, and their meaning. We'll also talk about some natural remedies that help you stop producing excess mucus in your throat. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we will talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stay around for more content like this. Now let's dive in. What is mucus? Everyone knows what mucus is, but just to be safe, here's a straightforward definition. Mucus is an essential fluid that is produced by our body naturally. It is made by glands in organs, including the nose, throat, stomach, intestines, and reproductive organs, and serves a range of important functions. While mucus production is natural and healthy, excess mucus production can signify certain illnesses, like common cold, for example. Mucus helps to protect our body in a variety of ways. In our lungs and gut, mucus makes it harder for bacteria to stick together, reducing our risk of infection. In our nose, mucus helps to clear out the nostrils, taking dirt, allergens, and other disease agents with it. In our throat, it provides the lubrication that we need to swallow and speak without discomfort. In our cervix, mucus accepts, filters, prepares, and releases sperm for successful transport to the egg and subsequent fertilization. Don't misunderstand us. We agree that mucus is gross, but the fact is, if our body is to function properly, then we need mucus. Now, you must pay attention to changes in your body's mucus production. Changes can be an indication of illness or other health issues. If you notice an excess of mucus, it is best to consult a doctor for the correct diagnosis and treatment. Here's a little fact for you. Did you know that, on average, most adults produce between 1 and 1.5 quarts of mucus daily? Most of it is housed in the respiratory tract, including the mouth, nose, throat, and lungs. While people don't usually pay attention to their mucus, it's actually a great indicator of your overall health. Let's take a look at the different colors of mucus and what they mean. If your mucus is clear, then it's a sign of good health. In healthy individuals, the mucus is usually thin and transparent. If you have yellow mucus, you are probably dehydrated or experiencing a mild illness. Excessively thick mucus is a major sign of dehydration. Green mucus that's rich in color could signify a bacterial infection. Lastly, if your mucus has a reddish or brownish appearance, it could mean that it contains blood or dirt. It's important to remember that mucus alone isn't enough to determine whether you have an infection, so it's important to consider any other symptoms you may have. If you have a fever, that's a good indication that your body is fighting off an illness. If your symptoms are concerning, you should seek advice from a healthcare provider. So what causes excess mucus in the throat? The major causes of constant mucus in the throat vary. In addition to infections, there are several other health conditions that can trigger excess mucus production. They include acid reflux, allergies, asthma, and lung diseases like chronic bronchitis and cystic fibrosis. Lifestyle and environmental factors, such as a dry indoor environment, low water consumption, certain medications, and smoking, can also lead to excess mucus production. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow, so we can make even more videos for you. So here are some of the major causes of constant mucus in the throat. Pregnancy. Constant mucus or phlegm in the throat is a very common symptom women feel during pregnancy. This occurs mainly as a result of heightened nausea in that period. Allergies. Constant mucus in the throat could also result from an allergic reaction to something in the environment. If you stay in that environment, you will likely experience excess mucus in your throat. Polluted environment. Pollution could be why you constantly have mucus in your throat. Having smoke and other pollutants in the air all the time can cause infections and result in excess mucus. Cold or flu. This is the most common cause of excess mucus in the throat. If you have a cold, you may experience a continuous feeling of mucus in your throat. The mucus produced when you have the flu is usually thick and yellow. You should speak with a healthcare provider if you're concerned about your mucus production. They can help you determine the cause and provide the best treatment for your condition. Since we're talking about mucus in the lungs, we might as well mention a major lung disease that contributes to excess mucus production. Cystic fibrosis, CF, is a genetic disorder that causes the body to produce thick, sticky mucus that can damage many of the body's organs. This can cause severe respiratory issues, as the thick mucus can block the airways, as well as digestive problems, as the mucus can clog the tubes that carry enzymes from the pancreas to the small intestine. Although there is no cure for cystic fibrosis, people with this condition can live normal lives with proper treatment and management. Ways to reduce excess mucus production. To help reduce mucus and its symptoms, doctors may suggest self-care steps, such as gargling with warm salt water, steam inhalation, humidifying the air, staying hydrated, elevating your head, avoiding decongestants, and avoiding irritants, such as fragrances, chemicals, and pollution. Doctors may also recommend over-the-counter and prescription medications. Expectorants, Mucinex and Robitussin, can thin and loosen mucus to clear out your throat and chest. They may also prescribe mucolytics, such as hypertonic saline, Nebusol, which are mucus thinners that you inhale through a nebulizer. If your excess mucus is triggered by a bacterial infection, your doctor will also most likely prescribe antibiotics. Of course, as usual, we have some tips for you on how to stop the constant mucus in your throat using natural remedies. There are several ways to reduce excess mucus in the throat, but the ones we mention here are safe and natural methods, known to be the most effective. They are perfect for people who prefer to treat themselves at home. The first natural method is making tea with licorice root. This herb can be used to prepare a special tea that expels the mucus out of your respiratory system. The second method is using a neti pot. This container has a long spout designed to aid in cleansing your nasal cavity. It does this using a saline solution. We will link to our favorite neti pot below, and this is not a sponsorship, it's just a product we truly believe in. The last remedy in our list is essential oils. Essential oils have many functions and properties. Some oils can be decongestive and antimicrobial. Essential oils like peppermint oil, lavender, rosemary, and pine help with allergic reactions, dilated nasal passages, decongestion, and removal of blockages. There are lots of options out there for essential oil diffusers, so pick what suits your lifestyle and home decor. And with that, we've come to the end of today's episode. We're sure you were able to learn a few things about mucus and how to stop its excess production. Do you think there's something we should have added? Please let us know in the comments section, because we'd love to hear from you. Also, please make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for sticking with us. Bye.